Hi everyone, still on trigonometry ratio of special angles. We are to analyze the various ratio of angle 30 and 60 degrees. To do so, we make use of equilateral triangle, knowing that in equilateral triangle that each side is equal and each angle is 60 degree. So for us to get 30 degrees, we need to bisect the 60. But meanwhile, let's assume each side to be 2 centimeters. Thus, 30 degrees. For us to get that, we bisect 60 degrees, having this side to be 30 and this side to be 30. This leads us to right angle triangle. This portion is 60. This is 2. This is 30. Then, for us to get this, remember we bisected this angle 60, giving way to division of the side into 2. Thus, 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 per each portion. Thus, this portion will be 1. For this is unknown, so we need to get that. To get x, we make use of Pythagoras theorem, which states that hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Our hypotenuse is 2, the opposite is x, and the adjacent is 1. Now, 2 square is 4, then 1 square is 1. Correcting like terms, we have 4 minus 1 is equals to s squared. 4 minus 1 is 3, equals to s squared. To get s, we square root both sides, having our x to be root 3. Therefore, our x here will be changed to root 3. Thus, for us to get the various trigonometry ratio, we have here sine 30. We have here cos 30 tan 30. To get this, remember that sine is equivalent to opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite of 30 is 1. So it becomes 1 over 2. For that of cos, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent of 30, when this is opposite, thus the adjacent will be root 3. It will be root 3 over hypotenuse, that is 2. Finally, our tan is opposite over adjacent. The opposite of 30 is 1, and the adjacent is root 3. This is for 30 degrees. Now for 60 degrees, we have here sine 60, cos 60, and that of tan 60. In similar way, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite of sine theta, remember this is where the 60 is. So the opposite will be root 3. We have root 3 over hypotenuse, and that is 2. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent of 60, as this is the opposite, thus this other part becomes the adjacent. It will be 1 over hypotenuse, that is 2. Finally, tan is opposite over adjacent. Opposite of 60 is root 3, and the adjacent will then be, when this is the opposite, adjacent will be then 1. So these are the trigonometry ratio of special angle 30 and 60. Thank you.